Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to remove your display picture on Gmail using your PC with the latest update. If you're looking to update your profile or just want to go picture-free, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in Gmail, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a small menu with several options. Next, select Manage Your Google Account from the menu. This will take you to a new tab where you can manage your Google account settings. In this new tab, click on Personal Information from the menu on the left side. This will show you your personal profile details. Find and click on your current profile picture. A new set of options will appear for managing your picture. Click on Remove to delete your current display picture. Confirm the action when prompted to finalize the removal, and that's it. Your display picture has been successfully removed. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and updates. Thanks for watching.